The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a powerhouse of a camera offering Ultra HD video recording at a stunning 3K resolution, a 27-megapixel camera for high-resolution photos, and high dynamic range for vibrant true-to-life images. It's equipped with a large image sensor for enhanced low-light performance, live streaming capabilities, webcam functionality, and built-in stabilization technology to keep your footage smooth and steady. However, it's worth noting that all these features come at a price. The Hero12 Black is a premium device, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Mastering all its features could also be challenging for beginners, and battery life might not be as long-lasting as you'd like when using high-resolution recording and advanced features, and there could be potential compatibility issues with some third-party accessories or software. But all in all, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a fantastic piece of tech, offering a wealth of features that can elevate your content and make every adventure more exciting. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, the Hero 12 Black promises to be a reliable companion on your journey, capturing moments in a way that few other cameras can.